Hi, this is Drew from ShowMeCables, and today I'm going to show you how to terminate a BNC 3-piece female crimp connector for LMR-240 cable. For today's project, we're going to need an LMR-240 cable, a BNC 3-piece female crimp connector, a coax stripper, and a crimp tool. To begin, take your coax stripper and remove the outer jacket and dielectric of the cable. Rotate the tool a few times around the outside of the cable and peel the jacket off. Take the ferrule and slide it onto the cable. Using your hands, fold back the braided shield on top of the jacket and slide the ferrule over the braid and the jacket. Insert the center pin onto the center conductor. Next, take the BNC Female Connector housing and slide it all the way until it's against the jacket. Slide the ferrule back over the jacket, making sure it folds the braid onto the connector. Take your crimp tool and crimp the ferrule onto the jacket. This will create a secure connection. Give it a tug for testing to make sure it's properly seated. Now you've successfully terminated a BNC female 3-piece connector.